Hey, it's your friend Sarah here from Vibrant Travelers, and I am here to answer the question, what are some of the things that you absolutely cannot travel without as a travel professional? So I'm here to answer those. Three of my favorite things are, first of all, I'm a light sleeper, and so I need earplugs. So forget those little foamy ones you get at the drugstore. These are silicone earplugs, and they keep out 40 decibels of noise, so those are very helpful for me, and they're quite comfortable. I also don't like light in any room that I sleep in, and so I absolutely have to have darkness through those hotel curtains, but sometimes there's that horrible, annoying gap that forms when you close the curtains. So I travel with a binder clip. This is a big, oversized binder clip. Very easy to just clip them on between the curtains and sort of tighten that gap where the light can come in. And the final thing, which I never travel without because hotel carpets, no matter how new the hotel is, are gross. I travel with a pair of disposable hotel slippers. Now these I got from a hotel that I snagged them from. I collect them that way, but you can also order them on Amazon. And I store them in a shoe cover, a shoe bag cover, just right inside my suitcase. They don't take up hardly any space, and I just can't live without them. So those are my three top things: silicone earplugs, giant binder clip, and reusable hotel slippers. Happy travels.